Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on TikTok. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, and of course, you have to open the TikTok application in your mobile. You have to tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, simply select on this edit profile, and then in here you can see this first option name. Tap on it, and now you can erase this one and you can write your new one. Like I'm going for this video editor. Now keep in mind you are limited to change your name on TikTok every 7 days. So once a week you can change it. Once you have made a change to your name, go into the top right, tap on this save, and now you have to confirm. Now if you go to your profile, you can see your name has been updated. If it's not, go ahead and close the TikTok application and open it again and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.